Dumelang, Sanbonani, good evening to everybody that is viewing this video. My name is Xoli, or Gogo Xoli to others, or just simply Xoli. It's been a while since I came on or uploaded anything on YouTube. I'd like to thank everybody that subscribed to the channel. The channel that is a name now, Courage to Continue. Somebody asked me why Courage to Continue. Maybe let me just give a purpose of the channel and the background to the name of the channel. With life, with everybody, we know it's a series of good and bad things, laughter and tears, joy, sadness, birth, death, rebirth, learning, unlearning. And in everything that we go through as people, kuba ney'nkathi where you are rejected, where you experience loss, where we experience pain, where we experience discomfort empilweni of various kinds. And in those times, I call them the winter season. Sometimes it is so hard to find amandla, to find the courage to pick yourself up, to carry on, to continue, to courage to live, courage to love, courage to laugh, courage to work, courage to trust, courage to be hopeful, depending on what has happened to you. And I've had to find courage to continue in my own life. After not one, not two, not three things that have happened that, I would say maybe were meant to completely destroy me. Things that tore me into pieces, empilweni, things that really challenged me, things that had me hit rock bottom, things that had me really being in the mud, being in the belly of darkness, facing like serious doubt, self-doubt, but also doubting impilo, doubting the creator, doubting the universe. And I think that's when I just started having this term in my mind, actually impilo needs courage to continue, to trust again, to love again, to move forward again, to be confident again, to find your voice again, to find your feet again. And it does not mean that once you have found that courage, then indlela iba smooth, you will not find other things that will izokudribula endleleni. We still do. But once wazi ukuthi, what, for everything that goes on, makufika lezi ezinzima, I have to have a well of some sort within me where I draw my strength. And mangifike kuleyo well, mangifike kulowo mthombo, I find my courage to continue. Now there are many things, somebody will say it's their children, somebody will say inkolo, it's different things for different people. And maybe one day I'll talk about what those things have been in my own life. Now, the purpose of the channel is to talk to different people from different areas of life who have experienced different things, and just to say what has been your source of courage in things that you've faced in life. Always the mandate and inhloso is to heal somebody out there. Inhloso is to say to somebody, you're not alone. It is to say nothing in life is happening anew. Nothing is new. Somebody, whatever that you're going through, somebody else has gone through it, is going through it, and will go through it. Somebody after you will still experience and go through it. And how do we then help each other? Which is kubeke ngempilo. And but further than that, once you have found this courage to continue, what I will be doing with the guests is talking to them about other topics, spiritual topics, the arts, anything really that we need to be engaging in talking about. Social ills, parenting, the gifted, purpose, life, inkolo, umkhuleko, uphahla, mudimu, badimu, any topic that the universe spirit will be directing us to engage in, we will be doing that. But in the midst of it all, kuko konke, also really finding out ukuthi abanye abantu after sebedlule ebunzimeni, what is it that gives them courage to continue? Let me apologize. We're supposed to have a stream yesterday. Supposed to have a stream today with Kgosigadi Lefense. We will not be having the stream this evening. Thank you for subscribing, those who've subscribed. Others, please do subscribe. We will be having the stream with Kgosigadi Lefense next week. I will communicate the time and the date. It's just a divine delay. It's still happening. I probably needed to set context. I probably needed to do this first. But I will be having Kgosigadi next week, and we will be talking about healing the feminine energy. A very interesting topic. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to learning more. Since it is the month of August, I will be speaking to somebody else as well in this month of August, talking mother wounds and womb wounds. So thank you so much. Please continue. Tell others to subscribe and do join me as I embark on this journey. Courage to continue.